Tomorrow we're heading out for a quick hike with two of our kids, and I wanted to show you what exactly we put in our child carrier backpacks. When I start packing, I always start with the kids. I pack everything my kids need to stay dry, fed, watered, and entertained on the hike. Here's what I'm packing for my 3-year-old. A pair of togs, a spare outfit, a very lightweight towel. For my 1.5-year-old, 2 swim diapers. He usually wears these reusable diapers, but I always pack a disposable swim diaper in case I have an accident. A swimsuit, a spare outfit, and with my outfits, I put everything in one. I kind of roll it so just it's easy to grab it. A towel, and I always bring an extra towel if I need it as a nursing cover, as a rug, as a changing mat. I really love these towels. We got them from Turkey. They're super lightweight, very absorbent, very easy and quick to dry. I absolutely love them. So I always bring a spare one. Then I'm bringing 2 regular diapers for my son who is not potty trained yet. Baby wipes, and I try to go with a pack that is half empty because it's not as heavy. Diaper bags / rubbish bags because you don't want to leave any rubbish behind, so you need to make sure you have something to put your trash in. A wet bag, once they're done with swimming, I'll take their togs, I'll put them in the wet bag. I will also take a pair of sunglasses for me. I have this little attachment that goes on my backpack. So here I'm gonna put little things that we might need in case of a little emergency. Kids fall all the time, so I always bring some rubbing alcohol to disinfect their wounds, a hydrogen peroxide ointment, band-aids, hand sanitizer. Also put a little hand cream for myself. My skin gets very dry because of the salty water, and I will attach this on my backpack. In the second backpack, I usually put all the food that we might need, and sunscreen. We're in New Zealand, sunscreen is a must, and I usually put it somewhere where I can easily access it. For the food, I have some raisins, some dried mulberries, some yogurt pouches for the kids, some phyllo pastries with feta cheese and spinach, and some fruits. Have some apples and some nectarines. Ooh, that's where they were. Gross. This is from the old hike we did. The muffins, we couldn't find them. And they went all moldy. Oh, gross! Ew! We will also pop into the store to get some bananas because the kids love bananas. I always like to have food that is very easy for them to eat and something that they can eat safely on the go, and bananas are amazing. So this is not all the food that we're taking, just some of it. And of course, water. Water is very, very important. I always take a spare bottle in case we need to wash up. We always take a spare bottle so we can wash up, take wudu. I know that where we go, we're going to have access to water, so I'm not going to fill it up so it's not too heavy. And of course, I'm taking my visor. This has been a lifesaver for me. I usually put it on top of my sports hijabs, and I know that I won't get burned. If my husband wants to add some stuff to his backpack, he can, but this is what I usually put, and this is how I pack us to go on a very easy short hike that has some water play involved. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to share more helpful tips for anyone who loves to get out and enjoy the outdoors with their family.